go! I just dropped my necklace.
Oh.
Isn't that pretty?
Look, I'm very bad at curling.
She's very bad at curling. I do a pretty good job.
Stop showing off.
We're still getting ready. Are you done yet?
No.
Yes.
Put on my face.
Oh! I-G-P-E-N-T. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? Next song. Yes, sir? I'm good. I've got 3. Yeah. I've got 3 towels in my bathroom, and they're clean. Yeah. Can you hurry up? I'd love to go to the dance. I really would. Ah! Hold.
Are we still gonna videotape this?
No.
Wait.
Okay, I really don't want to burn your hair. There we go. After this, you ready? Yeah. Bye.
Wait, where's the off button? Oh, there.